Ohora gifted me a couple sets of their incredible semi-cured gel nails and their gel lamp. And I just finished wearing the white ones, and now I've moved on to the red ones, which you can see. And I am loving these so much. But of course, since I love them so much, I went ahead and got myself their Nail Essential Duo. And what this contains are the Pro Glossy Top Gel and Pro Easy Peel Remover. And these have made such a difference. I love adding a top gel because while these are fantastic on their own, the top gel just makes them look a little more professional and I think makes them last just a little bit longer. And the Pro Easy Peel Remover is magical. It has basically no smell, just the slightest scent of orange. And all you do with this is drop it along the edges of your nails and then use an orange stick, push up around the sides, and your nail just pops off. There is no damage to your natural nail. It just makes removal of the Ohora nails so much simpler and makes me a true loyalist. This is amazing. And because of how easy these are to apply and how easy they are to remove and how long they last in between, I am so hooked. I will definitely be getting more of Ohora's color ranges. Some of them have patterns, some of them have embedded gemstones. These are something else. They really give you the look and strength of a gel nail with the easy removal of a press-on. Awesome.